This afternoon I felt a bit tired, but I had heard that in Bac Lieu there is a Khmer temple considered one of the most beautiful in the Mekong Delta, Xiêm Cán Pagoda, so we decided to hop on a motorbike and come explore it together. Xiêm Cán Pagoda is located about 7 kilometers east of Bac Lieu city center in Biển Đông B hamlet, Vĩnh Thạnh Đông commune. It is not very far from the city, so the ride is quite easy. We are traveling on the road that runs parallel to the sea dike. I do not remember exactly what provincial road it is. I just know that the road is quite narrow and there is not much traffic. It had just rained this afternoon, so the sky looks a bit gloomy, but the air is cool and pleasant. I have learned that for Khmer people, a pagoda is not only a spiritual place but also like a school and a community center. Therefore, on normal days, Khmer pagodas are usually quite quiet and only crowded during the major festivals. This is the outside view of the pagoda, everyone. The grounds are very spacious, and from a distance you can already feel how open it is. And this is the main gate, really beautiful. From the gate to the main hall is quite a long walk, and only by walking you can fully feel the space of this place. This is the main hall of the pagoda. The light this afternoon is not ideal, but it still looks very captivating in person. I really love Khmer pagoda architecture. The tall, multi-layer roofs look incredibly impressive. This is the familiar image of the Naga serpent in the Khmer architecture. The atmosphere here feels truly serene and peaceful. Within the pagoda grounds, there are also rows of sugar palm trees, which give a very distinct Khmer feel. What I find different about Xiêm Cán compared to many other Khmer pagodas is its very open layout. Standing in one spot, you can easily take in the main hall and the surrounding structures. The architecture is not overly large or imposing, but it strongly reflects Khmer culture and looks very harmonious and beautiful. This is a Buddha statue placed outside the main hall. And this is the view inside the main hall, everyone. Xiêm Cán Pagoda has a very high ceiling, and the interior is decorated with many bright, colorful details. On the ceiling of the main hall, scenes and stories from Buddhism are painted and decorated. Honestly, this is one of the most beautiful Khmer pagodas I have ever visited.